The annual and monthly budget spreadsheet is organized into 23 powerful tabs that work together to help you manage every part of your finances. The Setup tab gives you full control. Customize your categories, choose your budgeting method, select your currency, edit your start month, and enter optional account balances. The Recurring Transactions tab lets you enter income, bills, debt payments, savings transfers, and subscriptions once, and they appear automatically throughout your budget. The Calendar tab shows your month at a glance. You can see due dates for recurring payments, weekly totals for income, bills, and debt, and paid bills are crossed off automatically. The Annual Dashboard gives you a complete overview of your year. View upcoming payments, yearly totals, your balance over time, and category breakdowns. Everything updates as you enter information in the monthly tabs. The 12 monthly tabs are where you plan and track your budget. Enter your projected amounts, record your transactions, and watch totals, charts, and balances update instantly. The Account Tracker helps you monitor balances for bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. Record transfers, adjustments, interest, and beginning balances in one place. The 50-30-20 dashboard gives you an automatic breakdown of needs, wants, and savings or debt. You can adjust the percentages to match your budgeting style. The Couples Budget Breakdown tab is optional and gives couples a simple way to track two incomes and combine them into one shared budget. The Savings Planner helps you organize both short-term and long-term goals and shows how long each goal will take based on your contributions. The Subscription Tracker keeps all your recurring payments in one place with automatic monthly and yearly totals and a category breakdown. The Net Worth Tracker helps you record assets and liabilities so you can see how your financial picture changes over time.